make $1,000 a day doing this using only AI, I'm about to show you how to leverage the incredible power of AI to achieve this mind-blowing goal. So, buckle up and get ready to turn your creative skills into a serious cash machine. Let's dive right in. Picture this AI-driven designs that sell like hotcakes. Artificial intelligence has taken print on demand to a whole new level. With advanced algorithms analyzing trends, customer preferences, and market demands, you'll be able to create winning designs that practically sell themselves. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to massive profits. Time to tap into the goldmine of print on demand. You profitable niches. AI can help you spot the hottest niches with high-demand products, ensuring you stay ahead of the competition. Use AI to get trendy slogans to eye-catching illustrations. I'll guide you on choosing the perfect niche for your print-on-demand empire. Who needs a professional designer when you've got AI in your corner? Learn how AI-powered design tools can effortlessly create stunning graphics and artwork that scream by AI. Use AI to know how to create designs that resonate with your audience and turn visitors into loyal customers. Ready to attract hordes of eager buyers? Let AI take the wheel with targeted marketing strategies. From social media campaigns to personalized ads, ask AI to show you how to reach the right audience at the right time. Get ready to skyrocket your sales and dominate the print-on-demand market. Time is money, and AI is the ultimate time saver. Discover how automation can handle your orders, customer support, and fulfillment, leaving you free to focus on scaling your business. Say hello to a stress-free, highly efficient print-on-demand operation. Now that your print-on-demand business is running like a well-oiled machine, it's time to scale up and reach that $1,000 a day milestone. Use AI to get expert tips on expanding your product range, diversifying your platforms, and maximizing your profits. Get ready for your income to skyrocket. And there you have it, a powerful blueprint to making $1,000 a day using the AI advantage. This isn't just a dream. It's a reality waiting for you to seize. So let's take action together and turn your creative passion into a highly profitable print-on-demand empire. If you enjoyed this video and are excited to make that $1,000 a day, hit that likes button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more game-changing tips and strategies. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs. Let's spread the wealth of print-on-demand success. If you would like to know AI skills that will make you a millionaire in the future, watch the next video